Right, so we are going to go through understanding rounds for time. Rounds for time, R.F.T, how it's written, how to perform the workout, and how to perform it correctly, basically. So you will see in your workouts, this can be done as like a finisher or conditioning finisher, or it might be done as a circuit, like so. And it's just a case of how many times you are going to perform the exercises. Now, R.F.T stands for rounds for time, and it could be written as a typical workout might look like 5 R.F.T, which would mean 5 rounds for time, where you will complete, there's 3 exercises, 20 kettlebell swings, 20 kettlebell lunges, 20 mountain climbers, and you do one exercise, one after another, and that is one complete round. Then you're back to the start again, 20, 20, and 20, that is 2 rounds. Now, you do not have to do the exercises unbroken. So if it says 20, sometimes it might say 50 kettlebell swings. The numbers can change, the exercises can alter, obviously, they can be more exercises. So the more exercises, the more longer each round is obviously going to take you. So just for instance, 20 kettlebell swings, 20 kettlebell lunges, 20 mountain climbers, that's 60 reps. Roughly what I would think is probably going to take me about 2 minutes to do one round. And then 5 rounds in total would take me about 10 minutes to complete this workout. So again, 5 rounds for time, you're going to perform 5 rounds with no rest break. There isn't any rest break. You've got to manage your own rest break. So again, however you like to do it, I roughly would be giving myself about 5 seconds every time I need to stop. So if you're breaking up your kettlebell swings, take a little break, move on. When you're changing exercises, don't take too long changing over, because that just wastes time as well. So you want to be efficient at moving through this at a pace that suits you. Again, rounds for time can also be written as maybe like 8 rounds for time, 10 rounds for time, 15 rounds, 50 rounds for time. Expected to be written anyway at all. Again, the numbers of reps can change, the exercises will change. They might be less reps, there might be more exercises, just again, but the same structure remains. Now, a couple of tips for you here when you're doing any rounds for time. Basically, let's talk about 5 rounds for time. Your first round should almost be your slowest round. Okay, so you need to feel it out. Feel it out, as I said here, you feel it out and you understand, okay, that was okay. I can continue at the same pace. So if your first round takes 2 minutes, then you're going to take 2 minutes for your next round, 6, 8, and then on your 5th round, if you've energy in the tank, that's when you really put the foot down and finish strong. Okay, if you do this correctly, example, round 1 will take 2 minutes, then you should complete this workout in 10 minutes. If your first round takes you 2 minutes, but the whole workout takes 15 minutes in total, it's a sign you went out too hard. Maybe you pushed too soon, and then you had to spend the next round maybe 3, 4, and 5, longer rest breaks. The exercises got harder. Remember, if the exercises are really heavy, then it's definitely going to catch up and you really got to learn how to pace it. But it's a sign that you maybe messed up those later rounds. You haven't messed them up, but it is a learning curve, okay? Learning to pace. So learn to pace. At the end of the workout, when you are done, record how long the 5 rounds took you. Record the weight that you use for your kettlebell or your dumbbell or any weight that was on your barbell, how you felt during it, if you felt like you paced it correctly, and have your exercises set up so that you're not wasting time going between each exercise. Keep them close, little short rest breaks, and you move from A to B and keep going around. And again, that is rounds for time.